Hey everyone, I'm with Stefan Design Studios, and today we will be looking at the Star Show wig from their latest collection. Here's the user guide. Let's open her up. Okay. Gorgeous! Okay, here she is in creamy toast. Oh, she's long. Look at that. Okay. I'm sure you're curious, so we have to put her on. This is creamy toast, and she has these beautiful creamy highlights to her that add just a touch of sophistication. She's so elegant and charming, and she's going to match so many different skin tones. As you can see, she has a very warm and inviting golden brown base to her with these creamy highlights, and she's just so gorgeous. If you're looking for a touch of elegance and charm, this is definitely the right pick for you. And of course, the quality feels incredible. She's so soft and luminous and silky to the touch, and she just has this gorgeous movement to her when you put her on. If you're hoping to make a statement with these long tousled locks, then this is definitely the right wig for you. This is a wavy long hairstyle with cascading waves that are romantic, glamorous, and utterly captivating. This wig is made with a handmade lace front and monofilament part, which, as you know, is the holy grail when it comes to creating a natural and seamless wig. Let me break it down for you. The lace front is meticulously crafted with individual hairs going into a sheer lace material that creates such a seamless and undistinguishable hairline. This gets rid of all harsh lines and edges and creates the illusion that the hair is growing directly from your scalp. The monofilament part adds just one more layer of realism to your wig. This involves hand knotting each strand into a sheer lace material that creates such a seamless, natural look to your wig. When you combine these two elements, the lace front and the monofilament part, you get a wig that's so seamless and natural looking that it looks like it's really growing from your scalp. As you can see, she's perfect for any occasion. She's lightweight, airy, and fun to put on. I highly recommend the Star Show wig.